Yes, because alam mo, kung magtrabaho ka, you get to solve so many problems and marunong naman ako magtrabaho siguro, dumaan naman ako dyan. At sa awa ng Diyos, I would not judge myself, but I would say that binigay ko lahat yung pagkatao ko, yung edukasyon ko na nakuha ko, I was able to make use of my being a law practitioner, then being a prosecutor, then being a congressman.
You're trying to raise your hand kanina? Sige.
Mayor, Mayor.